Hello everybody, welcome back. This is another one of those account update videos, although we've got a pretty big milestone to share here. As you can see, 110,000 followers now. I meant to do this video a couple of days ago, but things just got a little busy. I was going to do it for 100,000. I actually wanted to live stream it. I was unable to, and now I'm settling down to do it. It's officially been 75 days since I started this account, and we're already over 110,000, which is absolutely nuts. My first month, we hit 10,000 in the first 4 days, 60,000 after the first month, and then the second month we only grew about 10,000 followers. We've done that in the last 2 days as we've gone from 100 to 110K. This month alone, we're 19 days into the month, and we've already gained over 40,000 followers to the account, which is crazy. So we're on pace to do our best month yet. And funnily enough, it's not even the recent uploads. Those have been actually tanking outside of this one right here. A lot of my old videos really blowing up, and this account's just skyrocketing right now. So it's just all about waves. Creator fund should be pretty good this month, probably my best yet. And if you're wondering how you can see these results yourself, please go check out my course. It's in the playlist section under my channel, or if you just go to videos and scroll down to my oldest ones, then you'll be able to find it. I gave away all this information for free. I contemplated whether or not I wanted to sell the information or just give it away. I felt like I could have sold it for a lot of money because I think my course is worth a lot more than many of the courses I've personally seen that were paid. And I just decided to give it away for free because I'm just trying to build my community the right way, not trying to sell something right off the start, just build a little credibility for myself, build a community. I also answer any and all questions in my Discord. To give you guys a little bit of background, I basically just found this algorithm hack, and I've posted every video I feel like I could possibly post about it, explaining exactly what I do. That being said, I'm still coming out with new content, trying to explain things. My last couple videos do a good job of that, 2 of the last 3, because there is a lot of stuff to this, just little things that play such a key role in the TikTok algorithm. It's very specific, but if you do it right, you can be like me, where I spend literally 2 minutes on the TikTok app, probably like a week. I get on, post videos for like 5 seconds, check my creator fund earning for the day, and I'm done. So 2 minutes on TikTok for the week, and I'm just growing money through the creator fund. I could be making a lot more with affiliate marketing. I make a video explaining how you could do that. Me personally, as you can see, bio link right here is just to my YouTube. I'm trying to grow my YouTube, so that's why I'm promoting that, trying to play the long game a little bit as opposed to just instant sales. I think it'll benefit me on a 5-year run as opposed to just 6 months or so. So that's why I'm doing that. And yeah, there's no excuse not to start one. Everything you need is out there, and it's 100% free. I've even given free background videos so you can do exactly what I'm doing. You can look at my account and pretty much figure out for the most part, but then I would highly recommend you watch the course. I'm not selling you anything in the course. Literally all you need is just to go on my YouTube channel and watch. I'm not even asking for likes or subscribes. All those are highly motivating for me and really appreciated. I'm not even asking for that. I just want you guys to go watch it and go just start building something, because if you're not building something right now, you're going to be really far behind when people like me are. This account grows to 1 million followers by next year or whatever, and you're still sitting on nothing. And so regardless of if the creator fund earnings are even that high, I've been pretty public about those. If you dig far enough on my channel, the fact of the matter is this account itself is a growing asset each and every day. I gained 10,000 followers in the last 2 days. It's just growing by that much. So the value of this account, if I ever wanted to pawn it off or just sell it, I would be able to do that as well. And that's really probably the main earner, because as this account grows in following, its value also goes up. At some point I probably will sell it, and I'd like to make a new TikTok keeping my brand name. So I'll have to figure out how I'm going to do that. But yeah, it's just so easy to do. I mean, this account is already worth, I would say, a few $1,000s without a doubt. There's just no reason not to start, guys. Build something like this. Companies would love to come in and buy this account off of you for their brand. So I literally explain how to do it for free in those videos. If you don't want to watch, I understand, but it will be worth your time. The alternative would be you can just look at my channel or my page right here and just kind of figure out what I've done, and you could get a pretty good idea of it. That being said, you'll probably run into some bumps in the road. TikTok algorithm is a little rough starting off, so you want to make sure you just iron out all the wrinkles when you're starting. So I would, again, highly recommend you watch that. But yeah, I'm going to keep you guys updated. This is a really exciting milestone. The growth has been insane. It's just such a rush every time, you see your account going up like this. So stay tuned, keep following along with me on this journey. We're just going to keep going up and up. So I appreciate those of you guys who have been watching so far and keeping up with it. And the sky's the limit, it seems, for this. So we'll keep it going. I'll keep you updated. And I appreciate you guys for checking into this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.